this little sign here. It's full. We rang him and he said, oh no, that's not my... Stand back, Abdul. Miracle now, yeah? From the last video, you will all know we brought two Volkswagen Touareg 3-litre V6s, to which one of them will be used as a donor car for the other. The police recovered 2007 Volkswagen Touareg will be used as a donor car as it's got high miles and it comes with no keys and it's just not worth fixing. The one that we are going to fix is low mileage and it's a lot cheaper to fix. Plus, we didn't know this, but last week we found out it's got a higher spec than the R-Line Volkswagen Touareg. So it's a win-win. So let's start breaking the police recovered Touareg.
That's not too bad.
Not bad. Not that heavy?
Genuinely not that heavy.
Okay. You ever watch Iron Man? We have finally got the second door. There's the two doors now. The only trouble that we had was basically that you just slide it off from the bottom one. We were supposed to chainsaw it and we didn't realise that you can just lift it off this hump right here and then you can take the door off. Obviously we chainsawed this one. Live and we learn. And now we're going to take the rear lights off, rear bumper. We left the boot lid on hold right now because 2 bolts have seized. The worst bolts you'd ever work on. I'm just going to show you guys what sort of bolts they are. You can see that bolt. And once they round, it's game over. Keep it going. That's the turbo off now.
This wire is for the bonnet that needs to be pulled down, and in order for that to work, it's got a lot of tension. I think there might be some sort of spring mechanism in there. I'm going to try and get this wire to come out of there so that this comes off and you just pull the wire out.
Bang, you did it.
For this, for a first time in a German car, look how much space is this?
Oh wow.
There's loads of space.
So this is the current state of the Touareg right now. So every little thing for the Touareg counts, and we're going to see if we can make our money back like how we did with the red EP3 Type R.
Stitched all the seals back on.
It's been a crazy one.
You'd never met the army, I tell you that.
It's all part of the process. We're learning. German cars are like 100,000 times harder than Jap cars. Voila. That can go straight on eBay. It's the bumper off now, that needs to come off. Once that bumper comes off, the front end is ready for the reinforcement bar to come off. And then hopefully the full front end can rip off and we can get the engine and the gearbox out.
Disconnecting the turbo from the downpipe, and then downpipe can stay on here, and the engine comes out with the turbo.
And he left his business card in the car, right? Inside the Touareg. I say his name was Steven Spielberg, yeah? And we rang him and I said to him, oh, we won your car on the auction site, Volkswagen Touareg. And he instantly was shook from the call, from his voice, you can tell. And then he said, oh no, that's not my car, that is. And I just said that if you got the keys, you can send it over. We could drive this car off the trailer and we can get to work with it. The guy goes, oh, I never owned a Touareg before, but oh well. Steven Spielberg, we've got your car, and I just want to say thank you for picking up the phone call. Found this in the glove compartment. I've seen this little sign here. So if you're gonna get a car from the police, expect surprises in the car. Audi's dumb paint seal on the screw. is why the reason why we couldn't take the thing off. But because of Taha's genius, I will give him credit. Put a size 10 instead of a size M. That's the first seat. Let's take it out. That's one seat.
The last time this car went up, 21st of Feb.
Listen. Check all these bolts here. Four left here. Probably the most hardest things I've ever done in my life. I'm telling you now. This guy knows it. Any buyers taking seats out of a German car, man.
Fair play to you.
Fair play. Can't turn the steering wheel left or right because there's no key for this car. So there was two holes behind the steering wheel, right there, and there's one right there. One of these, and you turn clockwise this way and anti-clockwise this way, and this thing here will pop out like this, and basically this should give us access to unlock the steering wheel lock. So then we could turn the wheel. We are taking the Audi A6, parking it at the other yard to get the Volkswagen Touareg to get to the unit to repair that and get it onto the road so that it can be the new rig. Second one thing guys, there's like a BMW Z4 I think. I'm in the wrong gear though. That's a BMW Z4. I'm pretty sure they're around 200 brake. 4-man deep in this A6, and that guy had to watch us go past him. We've made it the second yard that we've got. The A4 V6 Touareg and a few other cars, the Prelude over there. We need to get up to the road soon. Lexus has been moved out for a bit because we haven't had time to drive it because of the current situation of getting this Touareg out. So I'm going to see if it starts up. Brakes. Come on! Come on! Yes! Yeah! Sounds a bit rattly. Okay, look at that! Goodbye A6 for now. We'll be back on the channel. Let's go Touareg! Yeah. Oh, you want to get between the shell and then get to locking it?
Yeah, just smash that off.
On it, bro.
All rubbing against here.
We've got the parts from that Touareg, front door, the rear door, so then we can get to the bolts for the front door, get the wing off, get this door off, get the rear door off, and switch it for the 07 Touareg ones. Blue colour, it's not going to match, but it's going to work. We need this car on the road so we can get the Touareg MOT'd, because we're going to be dealing this car from today. It's missing the latch, so we can't open the bonnet. We need the bonnet open so we can get the wing off, so we can get the door off. Yeah man, Taha got the bonnet open. So I've never seen this engine before in this car, and it looks exactly the same as the other one. Yeah. This engine was 180 degrees on its side. Good to go here. Yeah, there's 3 bolts on the inside and there's 2 bolts on the outside. M8 star bolt. Beast. We could just take you out there.
Yeah. I remember.
So we're going to use this trim for the other one because the old trim was pretty battered. This one's a bit damaged. There you go. Wow, this is heavy though. We've got the wing on now. Just an odd colour, but nothing to worry about. Black and yellow. I have done the grand finale to see if the electrics and alarm unlocks and bolts, because the 3 wires that we're putting between the doors right there, it basically, it's not the right wires. There's 1 wire and the original one had 4 wires. It might still work, it might not work, but we're going to give it a try. There's a light there. That's a good sign. Alright, this is the last door. This is. I'm good. Yeah. So this is the moment of truth. Rear doors on, driver doors on, and the wings on. This is the moment of truth. The doors are on. See if the electric works. Number 1. We've done it. So that's a success. Second door. Oh crap.
Was it even worse? Definitely
Okay.
needs an alignment.
No, it worked. Look. Oh my god. There you go. Alright.
It does need an alignment.
Okay, we've
to bring
done
the
it.
door up.
Check the electric mirrors. Alright. There you go. Open it. It works. Okay, it's a bit tough. Alright.
Yeah.
The windows work. Yeah, central locking now. Stand back, Abdul. Come close, Abdul. For the miracle now, yeah. Okay, alright, it locks. Abdul. It. Of course. It worked. It worked. It's just a bit tough because of the trim, obviously.
Nearly set you
Yeah,
flying.
look. It works. Just gotta have a bit of biceps, and there it works. Lock the window. It works. Unlock. Oh
Yes.
yeah! Alhamdulillah, we done it. Okay, cool. Good job. It's a successful day. We did it. 2 doors are on. We're gonna wash this whole car, take it for MOT, and then see how this car performs. Big shout to Top. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. In the next episode, we'll be fully tearing down the storm recovered Touareg, getting the engine out, getting ready for scrap, and the black Touareg will be the first POV drive and my thoughts on the Touareg. So stay tuned. Hope you all had a good time. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.